Hey everyone, it's Ken and Andrea from Northern Viking Explorer. We are here on the Carnival Panorama and we want to give you a quick tour of our stateroom. We're in stateroom 10232 on the Lido Deck. It's a balcony cabin, so let's give you a quick tour.
So when you enter the cabin, you have your light switches right here. And you do need to put a card key or a card of some kind to activate the lights. So we step in here, we have the washroom. You can see I'm almost 6 feet tall. There's quite a bit of room. Elbow space, not really like stretch out space, but we have shower gel, shampoo. The shower head is adjustable. It does go up and down. And there is a clothesline here for your swimsuits or whatever clothing you need to dry. This cabin does have a shower curtain.
Uh-oh.
Not my favorite, but that's okay. The classic toilet that you find on a cruise ship. Then we have our towels. A nice bonus is we do have the mirror. One side is magnifying, one side is regular. There's shelves on both sides of the mirror. You have your sink. There's extra toilet paper and Kleenex down there and a wastebasket.
And I see a plug up there. What kind of plug is that?
That's gonna be for your razor.
Okay, so for an electric shaver, can be plugged in up there.
Yes. And then on the back of the door, there's 3 hooks. So that's convenient for hanging up towels or clothing that you may have. Now our closet is here. Lots of hangers, as you can see. That's the bedding that makes up the 3rd bed in this room, so that won't be here the whole time. We have shelving space.
And a mirror on the back of the door there.
Full length mirror, which is lovely. And then one more cupboard here with shelving and 3 pull-out drawers and your safe.
Let's have a look in there. Decent size, maybe 10 by 12 in size. That'll do.
Now this is the sofa bed that turns into the 3rd bed. So this cabin does sleep 3 people.
Nice little coffee table, double-decker coffee table there.
Then over here we have 3 shelves next to the mirror, the telephone, 2 USB plugs, 2 standard plugs. There's a mini cooler that comes empty.
Small fridge.
Yeah, small fridge. 1 pull-out drawer here with a built-in hair dryer.
How powerful is that?
Okay, well this is minimum. And this is maximum. Not the best, but it will do.
And it's stuck in the drawer. You can't move it around. No. Okay.
Yeah, that's true. A little stool that pulls out for getting ready or sitting. Now we pre-ordered the water before. It's much cheaper to order the water in advance, so that's what we have done. Nice flat screen television. Now, we requested that the beds are together, so this is their king queen size bed. Otherwise, you can have them separated into 2 twin beds.
So it's a king or a queen?
You know what? I don't think it's a true standard king, but I'm not 100% sure.
I think it's a king.
All right.
Well, I'm not sure, but it's bigger than a queen.
True. So each of these has the same nightstand on each side. So there's 2 in the room. They have a light on each light switch, and these are anchored to the nightstand, so they won't fall over. And they open up for storage. There is not a USB plug or any kind of plug though on either side of the bed. However, there is a light switch at the back here, so you can turn on the main cabin lights from your bed, which is great. Now, do we want to see the balcony?
We do. Let's take a look at these curtains first.
Sure, right. These are nice blackout curtains. So if you want to sleep in the morning, you definitely can.
And I'm gonna pan back. So that's what it looks like looking back. I like the beach club vibe colors in here, the kind of birch colors, the kind of greeny carpets. It looks really cool. Modern design in here. All right, shall we go out on the balcony?
Let's go on out.
Is there a lock there on the balcony? I think there is up high.
Oh, look
No,
at that.
right here.
Oh, look at that. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, there is a lock there.
That's great, especially if you're traveling with children.
Yeah, and it says to keep the door closed because of air conditioning. So
Yes.
let's head on out there.
There's a switch. I think there might be a light out here. Not sure what that's for. Here we are. Now the chairs are slightly different. That one reclines a bit, and this one is stationary. We have a nice little table.
And a good view. Hello, Long Beach. You can see
The bridge.
the bridge over there.
Now we should note we are covered if you look up.
So again, this is cabin 10232 on the Lido Deck, or deck 10 on the Carnival Panorama. Hope you did like this tour. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to Northern Viking Explorer. We'd love to share more videos with you. Thanks for watching and take care.